Okay guys, so in today's video, we're going to be looking at websites that will pay you $300 or more to submit and have your article published on their website. I'm also going to share with you a trick that will help your article get accepted. And I don't think anybody's talking about this trick on YouTube, so make sure to watch the end. So the first website we're going to be looking at is one that targets retirees, travelers, and foreigners. You can write things like things people should know about before they get entered public transport in your country. Those are the type of articles they are always looking for from people. You can also write postcards on the website. So if you're interested in this type of thing, you might want to check out the website. The name of the website is internationalliving.com, and they pay you $300 to $400 for one singular article you wrote that gets published on their website. So they can help people that are intending to travel to different places get to know more about these places before they get to visit. So you might want to check that out. Now the second website will pay you from $300 to $1,000, and what they do is more of copywriting. So if you're interested in copywriting about SEO and digital marketing and all those kind of stuff, you might want to check out this website, and you stand a chance to earn $300 to $1,000 depending on what you are able to write for them. And the name of the website is copyhackers.com, so you might also want to check that out. So the next website is more like a magazine. What they are interested in is usually poetry. They're interested in black and white photography, so they don't just accept articles only, they also accept photographs from photographers who are interested in capturing things around them. So if you're a photographer, you also want to check out this website, and they get to pay you $300 for personal essay you write about yourself or about anything around you. They also are interested in underrepresented community like marginalized audience. Those are the things they are interested in. And if you're going to be writing things like poetry, they get to pay you $100 to $200. That is if your article gets to get published on their website. And they are a magazine, like I mentioned earlier. The name of this website is The Sun Magazine, so you also want to check them out. But don't worry, I'm going to leave the link to all this website in the comment section, so when you find it, tell me which one you're going to be interested in applying to, so that we know where you're going to be getting started from. So moving on, we're going to be mentioning a few other websites that you can also check out, and that other website is one that interested in SEO, content creation, entrepreneurship, making money online articles. The budget for this website when it comes to paying for articles is usually $150 to $300. So you must send a quota to them, and not just this particular website. Every website I mentioned in this video, they will need you to send a quote to them, something like a pitch to them that they can get to know more about you and your writing. So the name of this website is incomediary.com. You might also want to check that out. So the next website is one that are interested in comic content. Yes, all they write is about content that will make people laugh or smile or happy. So what you need to do about this website is you can look at things that are funny that you can write about. Example of such thing is uncomfortable questions about food that are answered. So you can be wondering, what uncomfortable questions can people possibly have about food, and what possible answer could they have given in this article? So these are the type of thing that they are expected of you to write for them on this website. But unfortunately, this website don't really pay up to $300, but they do pay $200 to $250, which I think is quite close. So if you are interested, the name of the website is Cracked. You might want to check it out. They also have a procedure where you have to send an email to them. They have the email address to where you're going to send everything and how to get started on the website. So you are going to find all these things in the link that I'm going to be posting in the comment section, so you can easily find and know where to get started from. So these are basically some of the websites that I was able to find that will pay you to write articles from $300 and above. So if you're interested in anyone, let me know in the comment section. So moving on, let's talk about the trick that I told you that I don't think anybody else is talking about on YouTube, that you can use to stand the chance of having your article getting published on this website. So before I talk about this, tricks, please take a time out, like this video so that other people can also learn about this opportunity. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any video we are going to be publishing. We're on our way to 2,000 subscribers and we are grateful to you for your support. So going on to the trick that I want you to apply before you submit your article. One, once you pick a niche you want to be writing about, like some of the websites I mentioned, they have some that are interested in SEO writing, marketing, or making money online kind of stuff, or the one that is interested in making comic content in writing form, or anyone at all you are interested in. Once you have picked a niche you want to talk about, now you go to this website, you look at the already published work they already have on this website. Once you look at it, you study it, you take note of things that you see that are outstanding, or things that you think are the things that they are actually looking out for in their articles. Once you have gotten all these things and taking note of them, then you go and develop your own articles. If you already have articles that are already published in different platforms, you can bring those articles out and compile them in something that they call portfolio. Now, I think I have a video somewhere of the videos I have on my channel where I talked about how to create portfolio. You can actually create a portfolio using Canva, and for those that don't really know what portfolio is, it's more like a collection of all your work and the processes it took you to get those work done, so that anybody you are talking to can have a look at what you have done and understand better what you are good at. It's more like a resume. It doesn't really talk about work experience and all those stuff. It just shows the work and the processes it took you to get to the finished point of that work. So this is something you need to do, and once you have done that, as you're submitting your pitch to this website, because all this website I mentioned, you must submit a pitch to them to get to know and understand what you have done and what you can bring to them. Now, once you have done this, you are going to attach your portfolio to the pitch you are going to send to them, and make sure that the pitch you're going to send to them aligns with everything you were able to study from the article that you saw they published on this website. Now, you can use AI to form a structure. Like, AI will give you an idea about how to put your words together, but I would not advise you to write everything entirely with AI. AI can help you with the structure, and then you rearrange and do everything, add your own words, remove the ones that you think are not necessary, and then you put everything together and you submit to them on the email addresses that they have provided on this website. So once you're able to do this, trust me, once they go through all these things that you have done, and even if they did not see what they are looking for in the pitch you sent to them, they can actually take a look at your portfolio and see your potentials or what you can offer to them, and from there they can talk to you more about publishing the work or getting another work done, or anything at all that they may want you to do for them, so you're able to get your work published on the website, or they can keep you as a potential candidate to get to work for them. So these are the chances you may stand, and I don't think anybody's talking about this on YouTube. So advantage of this opportunity right now, and put something together and apply to the website. Hopefully it gets to work for you. Remember, they only pay you once your article is published on their website. Now, if you're looking for ways to do transcription job without typing a word, you might also want to check out this video. Or if you're looking for opportunities where you can find transcription jobs, check out this video also. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to the channel. I thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.